Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
My husband is too close to his sister. There's nothing happening between us that my husband will not tell her. They are so close to the extent that he cannot take any decision without telling his sister. And this sister normally works negatively against me, hurting me and my marriage. Please, how can I stop him from saying everything to his sister?
Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
This is critical issue with Bisi Adewale. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Bisi Adewale and put on the notification so that you can be part of this critical issue with Bisi Adewale every day by 6 a.m. You can't afford to miss it. Thank you for joining us. Let me answer the question of this young lady. The husband is very close to the sister and the sister does not really like her, is working against her, and this is working against her marriage. It's a critical issue, it's a good question. Now, if you want to win your husband away from his sister, don't make the mistake of fighting the sister. Don't make the mistake of declaring war on the sister. What do you supposed to do? Declare love between you and your husband. Get closer and closer. Don't develop hatred. You see, when you develop hatred toward the sister-in-law will get to know, and she will, since they are very close, she will find a way, one or two ways to make sure that she work against you, she work against your marriage. They can push you out of that marriage. You see, they've been together for years before you came into the picture. In fact, they've been together from birth. If your husband and the younger brother, that is to say they've been so close from his birth till now, maybe that was 30 years ago. Maybe you got married to him 2 years ago. So can you imagine the bond that has been built in 30 years? You can come up to come and destroy it in 2 years. So what we are going to do is build your marriage. Focus about building your marriage. Don't focus about they are telling each other anything. Focus about building your marriage. Build a bond in your marriage. Build intimacy in your marriage. The more you build that, the closer you become. In the process, you and your husband can read books that will expose to him how to build boundary in marriage. Your husband is a good man, but he doesn't know how to build boundary. That's just it. And you can go for counsel how to build boundaries. Many people do not know how to build boundaries. They don't know how to separate between blood relationship and their marriage. That does not mean that they are bad. It only means that they need knowledge. Your husband is one of them. So what you're supposed to do is build your marriage. Find one way or the other for your husband to know how to build a boundary. And if he is able to build boundary, he will be able to know where to put his sister. But if you want to do it yourself, I can assure you that you will lose. I can assure you that they can push you out. I can assure you that they will hurt you deeply. I can assure you that you can't win a battle like this. You can't win a battle like this. When you are hearing a man saying, it's my sister, my blood sister, my the same father, the same mother. You know there's a trouble if you try to do anything to separate them or to keep them at bay from each other. So the only thing you're supposed to do, or I've mentioned one before, okay, let me repeat again. Go ahead, build your marriage. Love your husband. Support him. Focus on building the bond in your marriage. Number 2, make sure your husband begin to learn, both of you begin to learn how to build boundary in your marriage. That's very important. The third one, show that sister love. Show her love so that she will have nothing to say against you and scatter your marriage. And above all, you need to pray. 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 Tell God to step in. Tell God to fight for you. If you do, you will always win. That is from Bisi Adewale. Critical issues today. Don't forget to get our 4 books, our super marriage bundle. 4 books in the bundle. A desperate need of your wife, a desperate need of your husband, fight for that marriage, and 100% marriage. These 4 books, there are testimonies surrounding them. There are huge testimonies surrounding them. So go ahead, shout or call the number on your screen, or go to familabooks.com where you can download the books now. Please quickly do that. Don't forget, men, we always have critical issues. God always provides supernatural solution.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. Quickly go to familiacourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.